Hello, my name is Juju the Kid Chef, and today we're making avocado and egg breakfast. So you could see me cutting the avocado in half, and we get them from my neighbor. He brings them every week. Now we just take some of the avocado out to make room for the egg. And then we pour in the egg. Then we sprinkle some salt on it. We could get that texture. Make sure to season the avocado itself too, all the way up to the top. Sprinkle it with some pepper. Then add some crushed peppers and paprika. Honestly, you could use your own seasonings if you want. Cut up the turkey bacon. I'd suggest use that. It tastes better than pork. Then you put the bacon on to make it crispy. Then you could cook this to about 16 to 17 minutes depending on how you like your egg. Bye!